Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih Jongka Sorkar Jylla ubah rakam sangma ula Pynbna baka jing penrungkam ke bathamaya Palat Hendrus Pak Tylli ki kam balalaj haki skul bapel jongka thup lower primary jongki skul Sorkar hapo ke Jylla. Kat baka bag merah bat ke South Garo Hills kila pendap ya ke jing Pynbna ya kini ki post Laitkam Henry ki wepat ki district kidang pendap ya ki kam ke jingjit ya ki nong apply. Ula kami lenti baka jing Pynbna ya ke jing Laitkam bakin Pynbna hakeleng ke district bakin pendap hapo kasi tayaw. Uba rakam sama ula kedau ya ke jing Slam hakaliang ke jing Pynbek Henry la pentikena baka jing persang kidang ya syakmat dan penstet ya ke jing tungkam. Ula kedau ro baki dan sispa sanpau hado arspa Tylli ki kambalala haki skul bat ben pentikena bapala laipau Tylli ki skul he la penkiu kerdan mentau usnam. Shishu ula benrap ban penkiu shishu ya ki bapas haka SSLC and penlong da ki skol janmet bat la pentrikam ya ki ne ki skol janmet hapo kyang nong ba.
Bakmara has already advertised 6 months back. But however, with respect to other district, the roster preference is still going on. I think that's almost over. Maybe in a week's time, I'm expecting to come out with a advertisement for the recruitment for all the vacancies in the government LP school, special ATRDs. I'm expecting in a week's time, but because we are waiting to inform me, nobody else because I don't want schools to be without teacher. Therefore, I'm just taking up the call again and again and again with my officials, but due to some technical complexity in the technical issues, so they're taking quite some time. So it's quite some time now. It's quite long, I know, but I had a meeting only yesterday, so maybe expecting in a week's time, so this should come out.
So how many of these vacancies are being filled up?
I think in the government LP about more than 600 plus, if I'm not wrong, figure 600 plus, and in the higher secondary about 150 or 200, right? And so, but now we have this year we have upgraded almost all the 30 plus number of higher secondary to the higher secondary, and we have introduced a new higher secondary courses like, and all the like Joy Polytechnic, Shillong Joy Public Schools, Shillong, Tura Public School, all has been upgraded to higher secondary. So all things we have taken decision, and we have even established the evening section in Kiangnaba Government College Higher Secondary Dealing, in Williamnagar, and many morning, evening, day section we have established just to cater the burden of admission of the sudden rise of the SSLC examination result.